Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use high protein powder. To begin, select a protein powder that aligns with your dietary needs, whether it's whey, casein, or a plant-based option. Always check the ingredient list for quality. You can easily mix it with water, milk, or your favorite beverage using a shaker bottle or blender for a smooth consistency. This ensures you get the most out of your supplement. Understanding when to take your protein powder is key. Many find it beneficial to consume a serving within 30 minutes to 1 hour after a workout to aid muscle recovery. It can also serve as a convenient meal replacement or a satisfying snack between meals. A typical serving size is around 20 to 30 grams, but always check your product's label and adjust based on your personal goals and activity level. Beyond simple shakes, protein powder is incredibly versatile. Try blending it into a delicious smoothie with fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base for a nutrient-packed meal. You can also stir it into your morning oatmeal or yogurt for an extra protein boost. For those who enjoy baking, incorporate it into recipes for protein bars, muffins, or pancakes. Just ensure you mix it thoroughly to avoid any powdery clumps. For optimal results, remember a few important tips. Increasing your protein intake means you should also increase your water consumption to stay well hydrated. If you have any underlying health conditions or specific dietary concerns, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional. Store your protein powder in a cool, dry place to maintain its freshness and potency. Finally, remember that protein powder is a supplement, not a substitute for a balanced diet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.